Hello everyone, I'm Naswa Safira Rizkiana with student number 86. In this video, I'm going to talk about English idioms. I found and watched a video on YouTube with the title Idioms, and here's the video link. The video explains several English idioms, their meanings, and how people use them in daily conversations. I watched the video a few times to understand it better, and now I will share what I learned. Idiom is a group of words established by a usage as having meaning not deductible from those of the individual words. So basically, idiom is an expressions that don't have literal meanings. If we translate them word by word, they don't make sense. But when these expressions are used in the right context, they actually have clear meanings. Here are some examples of idioms that have been explained in the video. Raining cats and dogs. It doesn't actually mean cats and dogs falling from the sky. It just describes extremely heavy rain. So this idiom means raining heavily. Turn a blind eye. This idiom means to ignore something even though you know it's real. For example, when someone knows about a problem but pretend it's not happening. Eat your heart out. This means to feel great sadness, usually because of jealousy or heartbreak. In a pickle. This idiom means you are in a troublesome or difficult situation. It's like saying, I'm in trouble. It's all downhill from here. This means the situation will only get worse after this point. It has a negative meaning, even though downhill sounds easy. Wouldn't be caught or seen that. This idiom is used when someone wants to show that they would never do something because they hate it or feel embarrassed by it. For example, I wouldn't be caught dead wearing that outfit. Goody two shoes. This idiom describes someone who is overly good, overly perfect, or tries too hard to follow every rule. Sometimes it's used in a teasing way. Piece of cake. This one means something very easy. If a task is simple or easy, people say, it's a piece of cake. These idioms show how English speakers use figurative language to make their expressions more colorful and interesting. For me, this video was actually really fun to watch. I've heard some of these idioms before, but I didn't always know their real meanings. After watching the video, I realized that idioms appear a lot in movies, social media, and conversations. Understanding idioms helps me improve my listening skills because now I won't get confused when native speakers say expressions that don't make sense literally. The idioms are also useful for speaking. Using idioms can make my English sound more natural. Overall, this listening material helped me learn new expressions and understand English better. I think idioms are an important part of the language, and learning them will help me communicate more confidently. So, that is my explanation of the video titled Idioms. I've talked about the source, the summary, the main ideas, and also my reflection about what I learned. So, thank you for watching my video, and see you next time.